Did you know that you can use shortcut keys inside AnyViewer? Yes, you get that right. And if you're a frequent user of the AnyViewer remote desktop application, then you can enable shortcut keys and start utilize them. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. Guys, special welcome to Drew Tutorial if you're new, and for those who are part of this channel, welcome back. Right, so how do you go about enable that? So let me go ahead and open up my AnyViewer application here. Now, once you're inside the AnyViewer application, you want to click on settings on the lower left hand side. And I want to mention something. Whenever you open up AnyViewer, wherever you, one of the good thing about this application is that it doesn't matter if you close the application, once you open the application again, you are back to where you left off, right? Basically, whichever settings or tab you were last at, you will be able to see that once you open it up. Now, here in the list, you can see shortcuts or shortcut keys. So if you click in that, here are a ton of different keys, shortcut keys that you can use. And all you have to do, toggle this on. And as you can see, it's now on. And once you toggle this on, guys, you can start utilizing all of these shortcuts inside AnyViewer. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.